welcome to Coffee and Crafts. And this is the very first video, so I'm a little nervous, but I have a new Digi Kit that I need to show you that I just finished, and I mean just finished. it just not even a few hours ago. But this is a 17-page Digi Kit to make a junk journal. So the first page, I hope you all can see this. This is some tags and some journaling cards. And you can see the colors are kind of a muted neutrals and blues, but there are some other colors in the kit as well. So here's one of the envelopes. Lots of birds, called Birds and Roses. So that's one. And here's two more. And I know it's a little difficult to see, but it's got a lot of French fonts in the back. And it's just, I just love the way it came out. I am so proud of this. There's some tags, some nice long tags. And some more journaling cards and just things you can go ahead and like cluster on or anything like that, or use however you feel. There's some more tags and some fussy cut birds. I mean, I'm really proud about the way this looks, and I hope you guys like it. I'm so happy with it, and I'm going to be showing you a few things on how, what we can do with it. I'm going to make a journal with it, so you can follow along with that if you like. These are the background pages. Lots of pretty roses and French fonts, and I love this teal and pinks with the neutrals. Background page, yeah. Another background page, and you can see how these can be, when they're folded in half, what they'll look like. It's like this one as well. This one looks really cool folded in half. That's peaches, neutrals. I love this one too. This one looks really cool. These are just kind of great pages. Little butterflies in the background. Got the blues, kind of a purpley going on with the peach, their favorite combination. Now these last 3 pages are for you to be able to use on the back side of these if you want to, or you can use it as a page as well. So these are just the back side pages. There's little painted roses in the background with the pink. I made it pink, but yeah, some French font on top of the roses. And this one is just like coffee stained. You can see coffee marks in the background. And yeah, so you can use all those, or just this one for your back if you want to, for the back pages. But this is Birds and Roses. So I've already taken the liberty to cut out a few of the fussy cuts and the tags and whatnot, and the birds and all that. I rounded the corners on that one because that's the way I like that. I like the way that looks. And just some tags, more birds, and roses. And I did give them to you in like 2 sizes, so you have one larger and like 2 smaller, except for the Eiffel Tower. And some of these we're gonna have to back. That's upside down. There we go. Because I just put them on coffee paper. Just ready to go copy paper. All right, and here's what I started to do. This is a second take on this video. So I also started and made one little card there. Nothing on the back. I figured we could put coffee paper on the back, coffee stain paper. But yeah, we have all these. I mean, you can print them off as many times as you want once you download the kit. And then you can do whatever you like. So a lot of these have to be backed. Some of them don't. But I figure what we'll do right now, just to kind of get us started, is put together another little journaling card. So let me drag this over. And I'll grab some glue. I'm gonna use the art glitter glue, of course. And let's see. We're gonna need hole punches, of course, for these. Now, you could also just print this out onto coffee dyed paper if you wanted to. That way you kind of don't have to worry about backing them. Or if you have the right kind of printer, a laser printer, you could also tea stain or coffee stain them after you've printed them. I do not have a laser printer, so that is not an option. But I'll grab some lace. I have a few little scraps of lace here. And let's see. What do we want to do? Do we want to decorate this one first or this? Oh, let's finish this one up. So that'll cover up our bird cage. We don't want to do that. And I still didn't find my lace. I cannot find it anywhere, and I don't know what happened to it. So, oh well. I'm just gonna cut off this little ruffle at the bottom of this. God knows I have enough of this. I have like 4 square yards of it, which is ridiculous. And we could pop maybe one of them at the bottom. Let's do that. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Let's see. We'll go ahead and put that along the bottom maybe. Nope, let's use this one, it's longer. Here we go. All right. So if you've come over from my original channel, which is Aurora's Art World, I do appreciate it. Tell all your friends to, if they want to see more crafting than painting, then this is the channel for them. There we go. And let's see, let's put a birdie. Should we do that bird? Yeah, I like that one. So I'm gonna ink this. Let's get my inks. And yeah, this is just gonna be kind of a chill channel. Nothing crazy. Just sitting and crafting our little hearts out. And if you have craft supplies of any kind, doesn't matter what it is, I don't care. Drag it out. Let's do this. I would love to craft along with you guys. Let's see, let's put that right there. I like him there. So, yeah. I'll probably do live streams along with regular videos. Here we go. What else do we want to add to this? We'll add something. What if we have, well, we have roses. Of these little fussy cut roses. I didn't really fussy cut them. I actually more or less like kiss cut them. Kiss cut it? No. Kiss cut them. Let's put it like, make it look like it's part of that branch. Can we? Come on, get your stuff together here. Like that? Why not? I'll be leaving the links to everything in the description box below, so you guys can go and check out my Etsy shop and my first channel if you are new here and have never seen my first channel. There'll be a link to it below. Awesome. Let's add something to the top of both of these. Or should we wait and put... No, I can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and add some string to the top of that. If I can reach it. Alrighty, so we got this. And I love the look of this. It's so cute. So I'm going to just cut off... Well... I'm going to see if I can't do that thing that, is it Pam does this? Take 2 loops and feed one in underneath. Oh, please work. Ah, what do you know? It works. Check that out. And what's neat is it makes it to where the 2 ends hang instead of one sticking up and one not. Which I think is pretty cool. Should we do it like that? Or should I put it through the hole? Yeah, let's put it through the hole. Oh, I know how I want to do it. Just cut this in half. It's not such a pain. Okay. And then I'll just feed the loop through. And then feed the ends through the loop. There we go. 1 luggage tag. And that's actually what you have to look up too. If you want to look up like this shape of tag, it's called a luggage tag, which I didn't know that. Come on, get through there. I could have used eyelets on this, but I'm running low on eyelets. I don't have too many, except for those great big honking ones that I thought were the right size. But they're more like what you would see on a tennis shoe for the shoelaces. Not exactly what I had in mind. Come on, get in. There we go. So there's our tags. So yeah, this is kind of going to give you a little bit of an idea of what our journal's going to look like. It's going to be very girly, which is okay. I mean, shoot. But I am in the process of making a new kit for a men's journal. So yeah, definitely keep your eyes open for that. So we will, when it's finished, I will definitely premiere it, and we will make a journal from that as well. But yeah, here's just a few tags, and we can say that we're going to start this, and we'll make it together and come out with a beautiful journal in the end. So yeah, until my next video, I sure do love you guys bunches, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!